Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make white butter icing without any mixture. Very easy to make, just 3 ingredients, you're good to go. This is vegetable shortening. I'll be adding 30 grams, 300 grams with my 1 kg of icing sugar, a half tablespoon of clear vanilla. That is all. Add into your mixing bowl and you cream it a little before you start adding your icing sugar. Make sure to sieve your icing sugar, very important. My 1 kg of icing sugar, I will start adding bit by bit as I cream, little at a time as you mix. Add your half tablespoon of vanilla, clear vanilla. You keep mixing. If your mixture is still looking thick, start adding drops of water. When I mean drops, little at a time as you cream, till you have a soft butter icing. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. In this channel, we'll post every week, so many videos in a week, so make sure you don't miss out. If you subscribe, you'll be getting our video a lot. If you are not subscribers, you're welcome once again. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share to your friends, don't forget to invite a friend to this channel. You can see our buttercream is becoming softer. To your taste, keep creaming till you're sure you are okay. Our butter icing is ready, so white. You can see how white it's looking. Don't forget to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.